Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Accept no imitations. Today I'm going to do a review of this razor, which is new to the market. It's a Rockwell Model T, and they've been working on this for a while. I think they had some GoFundMe campaign for it, and then they maybe had some issues with production, but finally got everything worked out, and here it is. It comes in two finishes, and it comes in this nice gift case right here with an instruction sheet, sponge cover, and then inside is the razor itself, a 5-pack of Rockwell blades, and a leather sheath, which is pretty nice to protect the head. When you put it in your DOP case, you won't cut your fingers, which is nice. The razor actually comes in two finishes: white chrome and gunmetal. Here's a look at them side by side. Very nice looking razors, pretty hefty. Nice finish on these razors. They have a heavy checkered knurling on the handle, vertical lines up here toward the top. I'll show you the gunmetal. This is the gunmetal version. For me, it's a little bit cooler looking, so we're going to use this one today. So the way this razor works is all you do is spin the dial at the bottom, the doors open up, and you load your blade, and then close it back up, and then your adjustment setting, you tighten it all the way down, all the way till it stops. And then your adjustment setting, you can adjust it after it's fully closed. That's not a problem. So you have an arrow right here, and then you have numbers from 1 to 6. So you can go 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, so on and so forth, all the way up to 6. The higher the number, the more aggressive the shave. This is a bit of a departure from their original adjustable razor, which to me, I don't know, adjustable, you just switch plates. This is the Rockwell 6S. The 6C is the same thing. You have to switch the plates to adjust the blade gap. So this is more of a true adjustable razor. Here's a look at it against the Parker variant. If you want to just see size-wise, it is about 1/8 of an inch longer than the Parker variant. Pretty much exactly the same size. Here it is up against my old Fatboy, my 1959 Fatboy. You can see it's quite a bit larger, longer than that one. And even the head is a bit bigger too, about a 1/4 inch bigger length on the head. Another cool thing about these, you can get this added stand, this solo stand that holds it up, and it's matching perfectly. So there's the white chrome in the stand, and here's the gunmetal in the stand. Takes up very little space on the sink top. Very hefty, heavy stand. It's not going to fall over easily. This thing is, I mean, it's really hefty. If you saying that Elon Musk could have used this when he threw the ball bearing at the Cybertruck, this would have definitely broke the window as well. No doubt. But anyway, it's very cool looking like that. It's a nice combination. And I will put a link under the video. Just click where it says show more. You can pick up all these razors, whatever I'm going to use today. You can grab it there at shavenation.com. I have a Rockwell sample of shaving cream. So let's show you how to use that in the Shave Nation Artisan shaving bowl. Here we go. Let's rip off the cap. I'll perform a shave with this razor. 2 or 3 passes, we'll see how it goes, and we'll test this baby out, see how good it is. Just open this up and squeeze this right into the bowl. I have never used this shaving cream before, so we're about to both experience it for the first time together. There it is, it's in the bowl. And what I will do is, let me squeeze out the last bit of it. I think there's a little bit more in there. Yeah, you can see there's a little bit more there. Got some on my fingers, but let's get that in there. Okay, I've got it all in the bowl. And we will also use the Rockwell synthetic shaving brush, which I've never used before. It's got their logo on the bottom. And just for comparison, here's the fine stout brush. And here's the Rockwell brush. You can see side by side, the stout is bigger. The Rockwell is a tad taller. The knot is thicker and tighter and fuller on the fine brush. There you go. You can see the difference there. It's a little bit smaller on the Rockwell brush. Let's get some hot water going. We'll soak this brush and we'll get to the shave. Typical synthetic brush, that's what they look like when they get wet. They separate and clump together like that. Not like a Badger brush. But here's the shaving cream. Let's see what we can do. See if we can get a lather going with this. Oh, not bad at all. Look at that. Just a few seconds in the Shave Nation bowl. It's got the lather lines that when the brush rubs against it, you get some nice friction going, so you can build the lather pretty quickly. Yeah, no problem getting a lather with this. Kind of surprising, in fact. I didn't think it would be this easy. So as the lather comes up around the top of the bowl, just scoop it back in, drive it back down, and you can see really nice. Look at that. Some nice peaks on the lather, peaks on the brush. Very nice. Okay, let's set this down and I'll warm up my face and we'll get to the shave. All right, let's lather up. Plenty of lather for a few passes here. Yeah, it feels nice and soft on the face. The bristles, they feel good. It's not scratchy. It's just nice and soft. Actually pleasantly surprised by the shaving cream. Just a fresh soapy scent. Figure 8 method, warm everything up. Just a little bit of hot water to keep things nice and warm. Yeah, that feels really nice. I had about a 1.5 day beard growth, so not too serious, but pretty decent. Clear the runways. No red card. Someone said I forgot to clear the runways twice, so I was issued the yellow card. Didn't make it to the red. All right, here we go. Let's open it up. Spin the dial right at the bottom, counterclockwise. Let's insert a blade, a feather blade. There's a look at it, and we close it back up all the way down. Tighten it till it stops, completely closed, and then you can make your adjustments. Just look at the arrow, and it goes, as I said, from 1 to 6. I will start at 6. I'll perform 3 passes probably, so 6, 3, and then 1. So I'm starting with the 6 setting. Some people do it differently, but this is how I prefer to do it. I like it that way. All right, start perpendicular and tilt slightly upward, like so. Nice. No problem removing my beard growth. Excellent. Let's hit the left side. Good feedback too, audible feedback. Very efficient, yet very smooth. Doesn't feel like I can cut myself. So both sides filled up with a lot of stubble. Got a little brush hair in there. It happens. We'll rinse that out. Now we'll hit the neckline. Really excellent shave. Nice razor. Feels great in the hand. Mustache area. It's long enough where I can just about rest it in my palm, so it's very comfortable. A quick rinse off. After the first pass, pretty smooth, really nice. All right, let's re-lather. Grab our bowl and load up again. It's a thick lather, kind of soupy, but holds very well. It sticks to the face, doesn't dry up. A nice scent. Pleasantly surprised. Let's clear those runways again. Guess what? I forgot to tell you the specs on the razor. The razor weighs in at 3.5 ounces or 99 grams, and the overall length from top to bottom is 4 1/8 inches or 106 millimeters. All right, so now we are going to do our second pass. We'll crank it down from 6 to the number 3. Got it down to the number 3 right there. And I'll go across the grain, like so. Oh, noticeable difference. Definitely not as aggressive on this pass. You can feel that it's just very smooth. Very nice. Wow. Great shave. As I said, it feels no chance of cutting. Against the grain on the neck. Sweet. Across the mustache. No problem getting under the nose. Nice standard size head. Another rinse. Sweet, really nice, look at that. Already after 2 passes, I'm really smooth. I could stop right here, but let's go for the third. A little bit more lather. As you can see, more than enough for even more passes if you needed to. We don't need to though. Shaving cream even feels cool now that I've removed my heavier beard growth. Just a nice cool feeling on the skin. There are those runways. All right, third pass, let's crank it down all the way to 1. Down to the 1 setting. Now we'll go against the grain on the neck. This will get us glass, the glassy finish. Let me rinse that. Now we'll go against the grain. Very mild on this setting. If you have a baby's beard growth, this would be your setting. You're not going to cut yourself. Very smooth. Look at that. Beautiful. No chance of cutting. Okay, this side, let's switch hands. You could use right hand or you can use left hand. We'll switch. Really nice. Okay, let's rinse that off. Let's go all the way up. Nice. And the mustache. Okay, baby smooth, like glass, perfect. Final rinse of hot water and then cold water. Let's try the alum block, the Shave Nation wide stick alum block. Remove the cap, get it wet under the cold water. And spin it up a little bit. Just glide that around. This will give us some feedback. Let's see if we get any stinging. Wow, none whatsoever. I got a super close shave, no stinging. So, didn't irritate the skin, which is really nice. Feels great. Check it out. Baby smooth. Really nice. All right, let that soak in for about 30 seconds and rinse that off. Pat the face dry. Let's go with some fine snake bite. Really heat things up. Activate the ingredients. Feel the burn, baby. This will stay with you for a while. It really tingles. It's cold. Menthol, eucalyptus, alcohol, fire, everything. Good stuff. Whew, that's a wake-up call in the morning. That's for sure. What is it? It's 7:35 a.m. So, wow. Oh yeah, my face is awoke for sure. All right, very good. Okay, here's the final look at the razor. Really a nice shave provided. I was very impressed with it. As you can see, 3 passes with the grain, across the grain, against the grain. This baby just performed meticulously, no problem whatsoever. Fantastic razor. Feels great in the hand. It's got grooves on the handle where it's easy to grip, a little gap in between. You can place your finger there. The adjustment knob has vertical lines and just a very nice to look at, excellent shaving razor. I highly recommend it. I give this razor 2 thumbs up for sure. And the adjustment feature means that you can adjust it to suit your skin and beard type on any given day. Actually, in the instruction sheet, let me read this to you. Adjusting shave settings. Size 1 to 2 for sensitive skin, frequent shaving, or spots prone to nicks and irritation. Size 3 to 4 for smooth shave over regular skin, shaving after a few days growth. Size 5 to 6 for trimming coarse, curly hair, shaving off longer stubble or beard. So I used all 3 settings, the 6, the 3, and the 1. And that's the way I like to do it. I like to remove the bulk of the beard first and then hone it down till you get to the glass-like finish, which I have right here. Excellent shave provided. No cuts. Really smooth. So I highly recommend this razor. Check it out. If you want to pick one of these razors up, just click the link under the video where it says show more. You can grab one there or go to shavenation.com and enter Model T in the search box. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor while you're at your computer. Go to my Geofatboy YouTube page. Click on, right underneath the banner on the right hand side, there's a bell. Click on the bell and then click on all. That will subscribe you to the channel and then you'll be sent future notifications whenever I put out a video. It'll come right to your inbox and you can check it out right away. So if you can do that for me, I greatly appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Rockwell Model T, excellent razor. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Accept no imitations. Have a great shave. Have a great day.